Do you scroll across Instagram and find creators with such amazing subtitles? Creators like Iman Ghazi or Sarah, I really like her style. And of course, the GOAT himself, Mr. Beast. I mean, you know how much his subtitles stand out. I mean, yes, you can manually create these subtitle effects on your editing platform, but it just takes a lot of time. Okay, now what if I told you that you can achieve all these templates with one simple click? I'm going to introduce to you one powerful AI website called Submagic, and your mind is going to flip once you see what it can do. So basically, Submagic is a short form editor for your Instagram Reels or Shorts or TikTok. It not only has these preset subtitle packs of famous creators, but also has Magic Clip, which I will be telling you about shortly. So once you upload your short form video here, you can generate captions, add b-rolls, sound effects, etc. They have a lot of features. Now once you upload your video, you can just click any of these presets and then you can further edit font or color if you want to right here. Once completed, you can export the whole video or you can just export the subtitles, which is super convenient. Magic Clip is something where you can upload your boring long 45 minutes video and it will automatically segregate and chop the video to many short form type content with subtitles, of course, which you can post on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Now this is really useful in podcasts because if you have a long podcast and you want to select some particular portion from the podcast, the software does it automatically. All you have to do is just upload this long podcast and it will automatically segregate to important topics. And the best part is once it segregates to different videos, it automatically assigns titles to each of these, so it will be easy for you. So it's a really great tool. I personally love the subtitle feature the most, and it's super easy to make your videos stand out with this already proven best templates. And they might even add more such templates in the future. So if you want to check out Submagic, do click the link below in the description. And thank you Submagic for sponsoring this video. They have various subscription plans, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. If you sign up using my link, I get a small commission. So that's a way to support this small channel. So that's pretty much it. If you guys are new here, I'm Fenzer. I do travel, tech and filmmaking on this channel. So if you're into that sort of stuff, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next one.